How to build a membership site using system.io. So in this video I am going to take you to the step-by-step process of building a membership site by using system.io. If you are a course creator, if you are a coach, a consultant, then definitely you need a membership site where you can deliver your products, where you can deliver your trainings and resources that you want for your members. Okay, so having a membership site is an integral part of a digital coaching or consulting business, and there are various tools available in the market. But if you are using system.io, which is according to me is one of the most affordable and most simple to use tool in the market, especially for the beginners. How you can do that, how you can build this website, this membership site by using system.io. So let's just see in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I am a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to give you the strategies, tactics and knowledge about the sales and marketing funnels so that you can build and grow your digital coaching and consulting business, and together we can achieve our dream of living the life of freedom and abundance. So let's just see that how you can build this membership site with the help of system. So right now I'm on my computer screen, and let me just show you that uh, how you can build the membership site by using system.io. So first of all, log in into your system.io account and go to this option. Okay, here on products and sales you will go to courses. This is the first step. As you can see, I have 3 courses here, and these are the 3 membership sites in itself. Okay, so let's just create a new course here, and inside this new course you can add as many modules as possible, as you want, as many resources you want. It could be PDFs, it could be images, it could be any other links, right? So each and every course is like a membership site in itself, right? So let's just do it. Let's just give it a name. First step is you have to give the name. So let me just give the name niche selection blueprint. Okay, now you have to give the description. So let me just write a small description here of 1 line. It's a course about selecting your perfect niche for digital coaching business. Okay, now after description you have to choose the language. So you can choose the language of your choice, but right, I will keep it English. Then you have to give the choose the path of the URL. This is the link which the people use to access the membership site. Okay, so let me just give it a link. Let me just customize it. So I will write here niche selection blueprint. Okay, so NSB, it will be the URL. Okay, this will be the URL. Okay, so let me just change one more thing here. Okay, so you can choose the domain. So basically I will change the domain here, right? I will change the domain. Changing domain is like it's a default domain which you will get when you make an account in the system.io, and this is the domain which you will add, which I have added my own domain. Okay, so this is very important that you should choose the right domain. And after that, the next step would be you can choose the theme. Okay, so let me just choose a particular theme. Okay, you can choose the theme of your choice, and you can customize it later as well. Here's the font, and here's the name of the instructor. So let's just give the name I will write my name, and you can choose your logo and images here, right? But I'm not doing it right now. So basically this is the thing, and at the end you have to choose the funnel. Okay, which funnel you want this membership site to be linked with. So I will choose my funnel. Okay, I will choose Freedom Funnels Blueprint. Okay, this is the funnel that I want to link with right now. And one more thing here is choose the funnel step. So you can choose the funnel step, and I will write choose the step Freedom Funnels Blueprint order form. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to simply save it, and after that, now this is the time to add modules. So basically you will add your first module. Let me just call it module 1. Okay, and save it. Similarly you will add few more modules, right? So okay, so it's a lecture. You can inside module you will have a lecture, so I will add the lectures later. First of all, let me add a few more modules here. So call it module 2. Okay, let me add one more module here, module 3. Okay, so I have added 3 modules here. Now after adding these 3 modules, let's add lectures. Okay, so just go and click lectures and start adding your lectures. So this is lecture 1, and you can choose delay after previous lecture. Okay, so if you want that the lecture will stay logged for a particular period of time, then you can choose that time here, and the lecture will be logged for that particular period. But I don't want that anything like that, so I will keep it 0. And also you can select the template. Okay, which template, the format you want your membership site will be look like when someone logged in into your membership site, how it will look. Okay, so you can do that. I will just simply keep it okay, let me just see. I think this one is looking decent. I will choose this second option most probably. Let me just preview it. Okay, so this is the second one, and let me just preview this one as well. So I feel the second one is good. Let's just choose the second option because this is the first option. You can have this one as well, but I personally feel this one is better, so I'm choosing this option. Okay, let's just close these 2 tabs, and let's just save it. Okay, save it. And now we are in the editor where you can customize the look and feel of this particular area. This is the membership area. When someone will log in, it will look like this, and you can customize it. So you can do pretty much anything with this. For example, if you want to move this heading up, you can move it up above the video, which I generally prefer. And if you want to delete anything like in this section, if you don't think that something is irrelevant and you don't want to have it, simply just delete it. Okay, like I don't want this thing, so I have deleted it. I'm gonna delete this and this one. Okay, I will just keep this area, and also I will delete this part as well. Okay, this part is also not I want, so basically I will delete it. Okay, let me just put it here so that I can do that. Let's just delete all these stuff which I really don't want to have. Yeah, so this is how you will do. You will just see this blue part, and when this blue thing is coming, you can simply click the delete and delete it, right? So it's gone, and now this is the area, and now you can simply modify it, and you can add as many things as possible here, whatever you want to write. If you want to give any links, you can give it here, right? And now once you have customized it, simply click the save button, okay, and just click this and go back. So now we have customized the look of the first video, the first lecture, and now because the first lecture is customized, we want to keep the same look and feel for all the videos. So simply what you need to do, you need to just simply duplicate this lecture, and yeah, now you got this new lecture here, right? This is the new lecture. So you can duplicate as many lectures as possible. Suppose I want to have 3 lectures inside this module, so I have created these 3. One I have customized, and the rest 2 will be duplicated, and now you can simply rename them, okay? So what you can do, simply just click this particular gearbox and just change the name, okay? I will call it lecture 2, and if you want to add any kind of delay before, like after lecture 1, you can do that. If you don't want, you can simply write the name, change the name, and let's just do the same with this one as well. So yeah, now it's lecture 3, and save it. So now as you can see that we have our first module, and you can see this is the first module, and inside this first module we have 3 lectures, right? And in the similar way you can have lectures here as well. So what you can do, simply just duplicate one more, and now once it's duplicated, simply drag it and drop it here, okay? Simply drag it and drop it here, right? So you can see that now you have one lecture inside module 2 as well. Inside module 2 as well you have a lecture, and what you need to do, simply just change the name here as well, okay? It's a lecture 1 of your module 2, so just call it lecture 1 again and save it. And now you have to repeat the process. Now you have to just simply repeat the process. Module 1 is done, module 2, one lecture is ready. Just duplicate it as many times as you want, and just change the names, and go inside and change the video, okay? So now let me show you how you can change the video. So suppose you want to change the video, what you need to do, just simply click this button and go to edit page, and this is the video, and you want your own video to be added. So simply just click this thing, and here you will see URL, direct link URL. Simply replace the URL with the URL of your video. So your video will be uploaded on YouTube or maybe some other streaming platform. Just get the link from that streaming platform where you have uploaded your video, and you can add the link here. Or if you are not uploading video somewhere else and you want to upload it inside the system, you can do that as well. Just go to this upload file option and choose your video from your computer itself, from your PC, and just choose any video from your system, and it will be uploaded and it will be available inside your membership area. So you have both the options available here, right? So let me just keep it direct link, and simply just leave it, okay? I don't want to save anything here, so I will click no, and it will be gone, okay? So now we are back here. So in this way you will have your lectures, and now let me show you how it will look like when you will build your membership site like this. So as you can see that there is no lecture yet because I have not added any content, but yes, it's gonna look like this. Here your video will appear and everything that you have in your membership site, and here you will see the menu, okay? So what I will do, I will actually I have to make them active. This is one thing which is a very important thing. Maybe you are not doing this, and because of that you will not be able to see any video here. So what you need to do, after creating lectures, you have to click this button, publish, okay? It's very important. I did this mistake once, and because of that the lectures were not visible. So you have to do this thing. Okay, inside module, just go and activate, just publish all the lectures, because without publishing it will not be available. And the same I will do with this third one as well. Okay, and let's do it with module 2 as well. Okay, in module 2 we have lecture 1 and let's publish it as well. So now we have published all the lecture, and now let me show you that how it's look like. So simply just again preview it, and you will see a different area. Now you can see right here the website that we have created, the membership area that we have customized. Yes, this is how it was looking. So you can see here, and here you can see all the modules, right? So this is how the it will look when someone log in into your membership site. Isn't it looking cool, right? So this is how you can customize your membership site. So basically what you need to do, you need to simply add the modules, keep adding lectures, and inside that just go and add whatever links you want, whatever videos you want, and this is how you will be able to deliver your digital products in a membership site. So this is how you can build a membership site in system.io literally in, I would say, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Very easy to set up, and once you are done, it's done forever. No need to do it again and again. It's you will simply can give access to these to this particular membership site to anyone when someone buy your product from your sales funnel. So we already linked our membership site with a particular funnel when we were creating it, right? We have choose the funnels in the very beginning, right? So when someone go through that particular funnel and complete the process, the access will be given to the person automatically. So this is how powerful this process is, this tool is, which makes things very easy. So now I think that you got the clarity, and now you know that how to build a membership site using system.io. I have many other videos around system.io in my channel, and at the same time I also have the videos about funnel marketing and building your digital coaching and consulting business with you by using funnel marketing. So just go and check out those videos in my channel. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay blessed. Thank you very much.